is up, you guys? Another beautiful day here in sunny Omaha, Nebraska. Actually, it's pretty hot, kind of getting miserable. Today, kind of a new little cool trick we got here. This is going to be for X3s for us, but this could really be used for just about anything. What this is going to be is a blow-off valve recirculation kit. We've been asked 100 times, probably 100,000 times, can my blow-off valve be in water, blah, blah, blah. Yes, it can be in the water. Here's a video to prove it. Whoa, I'm getting wet. Give her some beans, Chris. That is us submerging a blow-off valve, shoving it, water down its throat, revving it. The blow-off valve only blows. That's just how it is. Our blow-off valve's that way. Everyone else can't speak for them. Ours work underwater. We do it all the time. We sink them in sandy rivers, no filters. We don't care about it. They don't take on water. But mud is an issue. Mud is heavy and it can be flung into the blow-off valve. That becomes an issue for everybody. We went ahead and we designed a way to recirculate your blow-off valve, and that's going to be using this. The Can-Ams and other models that don't have blow-off valves, you can recirculate. For example, the Polaris, you can recirculate it right back into the factory tube. You have a blow-off valve that is now billet. It's heavy duty. It's not going to work like the factory Polaris ones do, and you can recirculate. Everything's good and groovy there. The X3s, that was never an option. So 1, 2, and 3, it's going to come to you assembled as one piece here. It's got an O-ring for a tight seal and a threaded backing plate that's slightly larger than this face to prevent any warping of plastic. That's kind of how you clamp the plastic. One side's always bigger than the other. This is threaded. It's going to come with hardware. Just 2 of them. Some Allen hardware, stainless. It's going to go something like that. You're going to drill a hole in your airbox and you're going to squeeze this together. When I say your airbox, it is because the guys who want to recirculate it to the airbox, it seems to be pretty common. You can honestly recirculate this to anywhere. You can use this on anything. You can use it on your freaking turbo tractor for all I care, bud. This thing can be mounted to the cover up here. A lot of guys are gonna be running them like this. XMR guys, you literally can mount this anywhere. You can put it on your freaking roof. It doesn't matter. Wherever you want to recirculate, back to. This will clamp to a solid surface. You don't even have to use this plate at that point. You could screw this to something or thread it or tap it, wherever you want. This thing can go anywhere. That's kind of the beauty of it. So it's not specifically for the X3s, but a lot of X3 guys wanted this, and you know what? We built it for them. That's it, wrapping all the back away to the airbox. 100% recirculated. No issues. Here's the deal. It doesn't have to be mounted to the airbox. So if you have a blow-off valve kit, you can mount it anywhere. You can run it down to the airbox, route it wherever you want. Along with this kit, you're gonna get some silicone tube. It can be cut to length wherever you want it. You don't, like I said, you don't have to put this thing on your airbox. It's for 90% of guys you're gonna recirculate them too. These things are pretty sweet. Nice, strong billet. You know what? They're not gonna break. These things are cool. Take it. Catch it, Aaron!
Good. How's she looking?
Looking mint. Should have thrown it. Guys are gonna say it's fake. I didn't throw it with the plate. When you order your recirculation kit, this is how it's going to come from RPM. Have a little 1 milliliter deal of Loctite, because we're going to obviously recommend to Loctite those. Yours will not come torture tested. If you want to do torture testing, it's all on you guys. This is how it'll come with some Loctite. Mount it wherever you want. These are going to be available on rpmsidebyside.com. Did it for $99.95. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's go test this thing. You guys can hear it. Psych, you can't hear it. That's the old joke, Aaron. You can't hear it.
Oh, wait, we can't hear it, guys. Sorry. Dang, yeah. He got us on that one.
Oh, it's good. I test it with the blow-off valve, just straight back, how a normal blow-off valve would be on these. They're always a little bit quieter in the back of the car. But when we hook it back up, you're going to find out that you can't hear it at all. So those who don't want to hear the blow-off valve noise, this is the kit for you. There's your beat. We're just going to leave this here. Actually, if you have our blow-off valve kit, you have a billet plug, so you actually could swap back and forth between these kits fairly easy. Just putting the plug in there, I'd close your airbox, or just leave it. This is pre-filter, so this is before the air filter, so you're still filtering the air. is I can hear the faintest like wheezing in the airbox. And honestly, if you're not super familiar with turbo vehicles, you may not even know the difference, but you kind of hear it down there. You ain't gonna hear it no more. It's gonna be recirculating. That's that. I know that we haven't posted anything about it yet, but if you want to go check out that exhaust real quick, I'll show you guys a little treat. Electronic valve dumping exhaust. We're gonna have a video about these that kind of goes into how we build them and why we build them the way they do and why they work so much better than everyone else's. But that is 3 inches with a custom exhaust bracket going to a stock muffler. I think picked up 500 RPMs with that cat delete. Uses the same big mouth end as our typical big mouth cat deletes use. That thing is one bad bama jamma, and that is going to set the world on fire right there. I've said it once, I'm gonna say it again. This recirculation kit can go anywhere on the car, or any vehicle, really. It doesn't even matter. If you've got a YXZ with a turbo kit and you wanna recirculate your blow-off valve, it'll work on that too. We've got this goofy guy named Aaron. He's actually the dude running the camera right now. He does not own an X3, but he really wanted a recirculation kit for when he drives this X3, which happens never, but...
Thanks.
Aaron, show him what you got going on, bud.
All right.
Like I was saying, I enjoy the sound of the blow-off valve. You guys are all crazy saying, oh, it's too loud, it's annoying, meh, meh, meh. Well, look at that. We got it going straight to the helmet. I can hear this puppy for days. You want to strap it up out back for me?
No, I don't want to.
Well.
Let me plug it in for you, bud. Hold on. I think it just goes.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Hold on, I'm trying to plug it in. 1 sec. Hold on. Stay still. Hold on. Let me get it plugged in.
Is it in?
Almost. Hold on.
Is it in?
Almost there. All right, hold on.
All right.
We're going down. Yeah, hold on. I got to plug it. Push back. Push back. More. Push back.
Which way?
Back. If you want this same kit that Aaron's got, we actually got to send you guys a T-piece. It goes in right there. Aaron really loves the sound of the blow-off. I like he was saying. He thinks you guys are all a bunch of silly sallies for wanting to quiet it down.
Yes,
this
sir.
is Aaron's kit.
Yes, sir.
Wow, dude, is that?
RPM SxS.
You know, we actually include stainless steel hardware. The wood screws, those are actually cabinetry screws.
Oh yeah, yep. We had them left over when I don't know where we found them actually.
We've never built cabinets
No,
before. I don't know where you actually found them.
So I don't know how we have them, boys. But yeah, check us out.